A very good morning, everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about the path array command. As you can see, the first figure into the left side, we have a semicircle, then straight line, then semicircle, then straight line. That means it is the combination of polar array and rectangle array. So in that situation, we cannot able to give the rectangle array or the polar array. So that's why the path array came into the picture. In same way, we have this path, okay, and there is one object. We need to create the array around this path. So by using the path array, we can able to do that. Let's start. First, we select the path array, select it, and then we need to select the object and then enter. Now we need to select the path. For example, this is my path. We need to select it. As you can see, it will give you the random. Here I am select the path array. Now I want to array this circle around this path. So first I need to select the object is a circle, press enter, select the path. Now you can see the array is created but the path was scattered. So for that reason we need to select the base point. Base point is here. Now you can able to see the array is created. Then enter. In this way we can able to create the array. Yeah, for example, if you want to change the number of item, you can simply click here and then change the item, or you can simply change the distance. For example, 10. For example, 5. Sorry. Now first we need to select the path array, select the object, press enter. Now I need to select the curve. Now as you see, for example, as you see, the array object will not create from the entire path. Why? Because the array is only created on the single path. But right now if you see, for example, if I complete the command, here you can see the path is only this arc, then this path is different. Now first I need to unite this entire path into the one single path. I need to unite this. It's a unite. Now you can see there is a single path. Now I can able to use the path array, select object, press enter, select the path. As you can see, it will create it. Now as you can see, we have the align items into the z direction, but we can simply select the tangent direction, but it will not give you any tangent direction. For example, I will give you this in the direction. It will equipy all the dimensions according to the space. Right now the small radius are there, so the distance between these two circles is so nearby, the radius is so large, the distance between the two space is more. Okay, by using this path command you can simply give the array. Thank you.